Right, so here's the complete set. If you guys can see it, this is to tangle any kind of electrical wire, and you could tangle it up, hook it up. Now I like this one that hangs into this piece of metal, so this could go on your roof, and this will actually go on top of here, and when you actually set it up, it just hangs in there swinging. So these are the screw-in ones, the screw-in hooks, and then the longer hooks, and of course extensions for it. They give you all the pieces you need. So we're gonna set a couple of them up, see what you guys think. All right, one of the best things to do if you work in a shop like here, you could hang these. These are perfect for any cable management or any other else. So they include a lot of different extensions to hang. So let's go ahead and set a couple of them up.
Or if you want to get spicy with the wife.
If you ever want them, you can always take them out of the way so they won't grab onto anything.
Give me the other one.
And they won't come out easy because of the little hook here.
Like in the shop, you always want to have your ladder. Perfect.
Oh, it could go here. Okay.
All right, so this one right here, simple to remove. If you guys ever want to remove your cables out of the way, perfect way to put all your extensions in here and save them. So if you guys can see, this is a double hook here, very heavy duty. And look at this one. You're not using it, put it against the wall. You need it, just bring it, pop it out, put it in there. Very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video.